What are you gonna do?
Sit on your butt.
Make a snow angel. Yay! You're a beautiful angel. Do it again. Wow! That's so fun.
That's so fun.
Like,
And let's learn not to get it. Let's do it like this.
what are you gonna do next? Make another angel? An angel makes an angel? Uh-oh. Whoa!
Ready? I don't think we're gonna be able to do it.
Where's the one that we had last year?
It's there. It's the same thing, though. Hey, go. Sit up. Stand up.
We don't have a saucer one?
Stay right there. It's not. This isn't the pot. We have to wear it down. It's ice. At the top layer is ice. Come on, Sienna. Let's try to dig it. Come on, you're gonna like this. You're gonna like it. You're gonna like this. Why? Hey, hold on to the rope. Here, hold on. Hold tight.
Ready?
This is for Mr. Kurt. Thank you. Ready?
Whee! Yay! That was fun.
What?
Giving me thumbs up.
Did I say that was gonna be fun?
Can I have a thumbs up?
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.